Hello, welcome back to Harvest and Home UK. My name's Claire, and if you're new here, my channel is all about growing my own food over at my allotment and at home in my garden, and how I prepare it, cook it and store it. Today I'm talking about 5 things that I would grow if I were a beginner in the UK. Let's get stuck in. Number 1 on my list would be tomatoes. Tomatoes grow in abundance. They are a great one for beginners. They are the basis to most sauces, and you can use them fresh in your salads as well. A great variety for you to grow would be moneymaker. Number 2 on my list would be onions. Onions are also part of my everyday cooking. I use them as a base for most things. Onions you can grow from sets or from seeds. If I was growing new, I would definitely be growing them from sets. You can buy them in most DIY stores and garden centres, and if you visit plant nurseries, you can actually get tiny little plants already started to grow that you can pop in the ground. They will grow all year through and get nice and big and juicy, and you can then store them over winter. And make sure you're subscribed, because later in the growing season I will be showing you how I prepare and store mine. Number 3 on my list would be cucumbers. Cucumbers are fantastic for most of your salads, and the lovely thing is that you can go outside and pick them and eat them straight away once they're washed. They do grow really well. If you've got an allotment, they like to sprawl in between your other vegetables. If you've got a garden, you can pop them in the ground and let them grow up a trellis, maximising the upward space that you have. And if you've got a balcony, you can actually grow them in pots and let them grow up around the spindles of your balcony. A great variety to buy would be mini munch. Number 4 on my list would be garlic. So garlic is the flavour. Garlic is the one thing that gives your cooking a boost. You're not too late to plant garlic. There are lots of spring varieties that you can plant. Again, you can get those in garden centres and nurseries. And a spring variety is quite often a soft neck variety, and they store really well. And last but not least, number 5, I would grow beans. So beans are fantastic for drying and eating fresh. The variety that I like to grow is a broad bean, and it's called Aquadulture Claudia. They are a great all-rounder, and beans like to grow upwards, so they're great for growing on an A-frame or a trellis or anything like that. And the best thing about them is you can leave them on their structure until they're completely dry in their pods, then empty them all out and store them like I have here, ready for use in soups and stews all through the winter. They are a great source of protein. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's helped you to choose your first 5 things to grow in the UK. I do Wednesday vlogs that are great for beginners, and then I do a Sunday vlog, which is what I've been doing all throughout the week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care.